Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when Cash App is not available in your country. First, let's check what happened when you try to download it. I will go to the App Store and search for Cash App. As you can see, it is not available in your region. But don't worry, I will show you how to fix this. To begin, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. Then navigate to your account setting and find the country and region option. Now select change country or region and choose United States from the list. Agree to the terms and condition, then move on to the payment details. For the payment method, select none. Then for the billing address, you will need to enter a valid USA address. You can find a random online if needed. Once all the details are filled in, tap next to the confirm and changes. Now go back to the App Store and search for the Cash App again. You should now see it available for download. Thanks for watching. If this video helped to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech solutions. See you in the next one.